Hello everybody, my name is Mark. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about which is better, to buy the stock or sell the open put options. If you have any experience at all trading options, then you probably know that selling puts is very much like buying the stock. But there are some differences, and I'm going to talk about that real quickly right here. And we're going to take a look at one of my positions that I just closed out today, and I took a $10 loss. It's on Hertz. And the reason why I did this, first of all, on the 22nd, I sold to open a $1.50 put option, expires in December, took in $40, and just today I closed it out and I took my $10 loss. Why did I do that? Take a look at Hertz and what happened. I don't know if you follow Hertz, but this is what happened to Hertz. It went down to 70 cents a share. And why did it do this? First of all, I don't just close out option trades just because the stock tanks like this. I like to read the news and see what's really going on. And so when I go down, and today is October the 30th, this news right here is the big granddaddy. Hertz shares suspended from trade by New York Stock Exchange following bankruptcy. Ding, ding, ding. Judge approval of $1.65 billion loan. So they are headed to bankruptcy, but the bigger problem is the shares are suspended. So in accordance of what I learned about Hertz, back to my transactions here, I bought the put for $40. I sold the put for $40, and then I bought the put for $50. So I took a $10 loss. Okay, now that was on the 22nd that I opened. Now, take a look at this, and then later you tell me if you would have rather owned the shares or did what I did and sold the put. So, first of all, funny thing here, if we go to the stock of Hertz, and this is on my Ameritrade, and I pull up the charts, this is a 1 month chart. It doesn't even show the history of the price because of the new ticker symbol. It only shows today. So, in order for me to look at the history, I got to go to the trading view. And so here's the trading view. This is the 1 month chart. And this blue area right here is the 22nd. That's the day that I first sold open the put. And you can see the price of the stock was right around $1.80 a share. So if I would have bought the 100 shares at $1.80 a share, then that would have cost me $180. Okay. And now, because of what happened, Hertz is at 70 cents a share, and the shares are suspended. So I don't even know if I could get out if I had bought the shares, but instead I sold the put. And so I would be down $110. But instead of being down in the red, $110, you saw it right here in this video, I'm only down $10. And an even more cool thing that happened to me is this is $1.50 put. Okay. And the shares are at 70 cents. So why is the put option only worth 50? $1.50 minus 50 is $1, but the shares are at 70 cents. So I should be down another 30 bucks, shouldn't I? I mean, what am I missing here? I don't really understand why it seems to me like the put option is wrongly valued. But it is what it is, and I'm very happy to take a $10 loss instead of a $40 loss. Now, let's compare. If you were to buy the 100 shares of the stock, and let's say that the good news came out and Hertz goes up to, let's say, $3 a share, okay? Here's what would happen. I would not close out of the trade. This would not be there, and I would make all this money. I would make all $40 or whatever. And I bought the shares at $1.80 a share. I would be up $220. But because I don't own the shares and I just sold the put, I'm only up $40. So that's the negative of selling puts and not buying the shares, is that it does cut into your profits. But the positive, if you're a risk averse person like myself, the positive is that when bad news comes out, instead of being down $110 because I bought the shares at $1.80 a share, I'm only down $10. And actually, I should be down $40, but the stock market, or the put option, the god of the put options, was very nice to me, and it let me get out for $10. So I will say that selling puts and buying call stock options are risky, but in my opinion, and I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an expert, I'm just a regular working class, blah, blah, blah. In my opinion, selling puts is less risky than buying the stock. So, if you have any comments or questions about this video, and by the way, this is another losing trade. And I did only take a $10 loss, but sometimes I do make money. Like these 3 removal of options right here, which just happened a few days ago. Removal of option, removal of option. I don't always do a video every time I have a winning or a losing trade. I tend to do videos when I can talk about something that I'm doing and I can combine it with some kind of lesson or piece of information about selling or buying stock options that I think is going to be helpful. So I try to do like a double bonus video where I show what I'm doing with my own option trading, and at the same time I'm giving out some information. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave in the feedback. And thank you for watching. Feel free to hit the like button, whatever you choose to do. And I will see you in the next video. Have a good day and ciao.